Hello students. Now this is a question which is given particularly this is a rhombus. We know the property all sides of rhombus are equal. Along with it, the opposite sides we are going to use two different properties of rhombus once for solving this particular geometrical problem. Opposite sides of rhombus are equal. This is first. Naturally, all sides are equal, so opposites are also equal. So this property will be using. Second property is diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Two rhombus they have given. One is Gun's rhombus, that is GUNS, and another rhombus they have given RUNS. अच्छा है, गन देख के रन करना है हमें. गन्स एंड रन्स नेम्स आर गिवन इन अ वेरी नाइस वे. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विद गन. पहले बंदूक से गोली मारते हैं और ये सॉल्व करते हैं. नाउ वेरी सिंपल पार्ट ओवर हियर. 3y opposite side, that is GU, particularly GU is equal to 20. That GU is equal to SL, because these are opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This is what the property is. What is GU? GU they have given, that is 3y minus 1. What is SL? That is 26. So we have to solve this equation as per our regular method of linear equation. 3y is equal to 26 minus transposing 1. That will be minus 1, that will go on RHS. That will become plus 1. 27. Y is equal to 3y upon 3 is equal to 27 upon 3. Y is equal to 9. This is what question we have. So what will be the length GU now? What is the length GU over here? GU. Length GU. I'll change my ink for this. Length GU, that is 3y minus 1. Y I am substituting 9. 3 into 9 minus 1, that will be 27 minus 1, that should be 26. So naturally we are getting y also, and this is verified that opposite sides are equal. We are getting value of y also, and we are going to verify with this that opposite sides of rhombus are equal. Now second, SG is equal to NU. SG is equal to NU. What is SG they have given? That is 3x. That is equal to 18. Dividing 3 on both sides, we are solving. So this answer is 6. So in case of this GUNS rhombus, we are getting side SG. So what will be the side SG? SG is equal to 3 into x. That will be 3 into 6. That will be 18. So SG is equal to 18. This is verified, and this is the value of x we are going to find using the properties that opposite sides of rhombus are. Now for rhombus RUNS runs, let us use the property where diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. I told you I am taking deliberately, I am changing the colors. This is y plus 7, x plus y, ON, OR 16, OS or SO, that is 20, OU, that is y plus 7. Now what property we are using? We are going to bisect each other, means this is equal to this diagonal, and this particular diagonal is equal to this diagonal. This is what the property we are going to use. Now let's start. Naturally OS is equal to OU. Now what is OS here? That is 20. That is OU, that will be y plus 7. Just I am slightly adjusting. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 minus 7. Y is equal to 30. This is what part related to OS. Second, now I am going to find another part, x plus y. Here ON is this O to N is equal to O to R. ON is equal to OR. What is ON? It is x plus y, and that is equal to 16. Now you can find that we are not having x, but we have found the value of y. I am going to substitute this value of y this particular equation. As a result, I am getting x plus 13 is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 13. X is equal to 3. So we are getting two answers over here. X is 3, y is 13. Now next we have to find the length ON. So what will be the length ON and length OU? So length ON is equal to, that is x plus y. So here I will writing over here length ON, that is equal to, what is x? That is 3. What is y? That is 13. How much I am getting? That is 16. So ON, length ON is equal to 16. This is first answer. What I am getting. Secondly, I have to find length OU. OU. What is OU? That is y plus 7. What is y? We have got y is 13. OU is equal to 13 plus 7. OU is equal to 20. For comfortability, I am writing it as length OU is equal to 20. This is another answer which I have found. Thank you.